To better take care of their customers and partners, Cooper&Hunter has opened the first unique integrated service center in Europe, located in Kiev. What makes the Kiev complex unique? Our call center provides direct consultations at the request of users and installers. In the showroom of the Climate Control Plus store, visitors can get professional advice, consider new models for the European market, and purchase any Cooper&Hunter household climate control equipment. In the integrated service center, the user can receive diagnostics and equipment repair services. Technical support of installers, engineers, and designers from different countries takes place online by a group of qualified C&H experts. For professionals who sell and install Cooper&Hunter equipment, a modern training center is provided. Hands-on practice realized by means of using existing equipment models. Innovative heat pumps, automation, monitoring, and remote control tools allow demonstration of an integrated service center as an example of energy-efficient technologies of the European level. Photo and video reviews of models are carried out for distance learning. The repair shop performs warranty and post-warranty equipment repairs and promptly delivers the repaired equipment to the customer. A big bonus for professional installers is the availability of a spare parts warehouse, which speeds up the process of repair and maintenance of any model, especially in high season. In conclusion, the uniqueness of Cooper&Hunter's European Integrated Service Center lies in the combination of 8 important functions culminating in one place, namely showroom, store for retail customers, online store, spare parts warehouse, repair shop, diagnostic laboratory, call center, and training center. From consulting and technical support to convenience of purchasing, Cooper&Hunter aims to create the most comfortable conditions for their European customers.